Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. Do you want to know the kinds of devices that hackers use to spy on people? In this video, I'm going to talk about top cybersecurity spy gadgets for beginners, top cybersecurity spy gadgets for experts, and certain devices that hackers use and how they use them. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So here are some devices for beginners, right? You have the Ray-Ban Stories, basically stylish glasses or sunglasses that come equipped with dual cameras for taking photos and videos hands-free. They also have Bluetooth speakers for phone calls, making them a fashionable and functional choice for beginners, right? You have the JMD HKK anti-spy and RF detector. This device helps detect hidden cameras and audio bugs, providing an extra layer of security. It's simple to operate and is ideal for beginners wanting to ensure their surroundings are safe. You have the Kuios 1080p charger camera. Let me know if I said that wrong. This gadget looks like a regular phone charger but secretly records video. It combines functionality with surveillance, making it a great starter gadget for beginners. So here are some more sophisticated cybersecurity spy devices that hackers love to use. You have the camera pen. This gadget looks like a regular pen but includes a 2.8mm wide angle camera, a micro SD card slot, and a microphone, making it ideal for discreet recording. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. You have the surveillance camera drone. The DJI Spark drone offers a 12 megapixel camera and range of 1.2 miles. It is compact, lightweight, and equipped with GPS and GLONASS sensors for precise positioning, making it suitable for covert surveillance. The Faraday bag is the next one, designed to block radio frequency identification signals, also known as RFID. This bag protects your devices and cars from being tracked or scanned, ensuring privacy. You have the AI voice generator. This software can disguise your voice or create realistic text-to-speech audio, useful for maintaining anonymity during communication. You have hidden cameras available in various forms, such as pins, eyewear, and other everyday items. These cameras are designed for covert surveillance and can discreetly record audio and video. You have GPS trackers. These devices offer real-time tracking and can be used to monitor the location of vehicles or individuals discreetly. Some models are weatherproof and have long battery life. These gadgets that I'm talking about, they're a little bit more expert level, right? They're designed for surveillance and intelligence gathering, providing advanced capabilities for both personal and professional use. However, it is important to note that you have to use them ethically, right, in compliance with legal regulations. So there is the device Flipper Zero, right, and it's used to spy. Okay, it can interact with various wireless signals, making it capable of several activities that could be used for spying or hacking purposes. However, there's a whole bunch of misunderstandings of this device, and it can be exaggerated, right? So here's what the Flipper Zero can do and how hackers spy with it. You have wireless signal interaction. The Flipper Zero can capture, store, clone, or emulate wireless signals. It can interact with several signal types, including near-field communication, NFC, radio frequency identification, RFID, and infrared signals. There's access control systems. It can clone RFID badges and potentially bypass access control systems, which can be used to gain unauthorized entry to secured areas. You have IoT device manipulations. It can read signals emitted from various IoT devices, such as car tire pressure sensors or animal microchips, and potentially manipulate them if they are not secured properly. You have bad USB attacks. This device can be used to perform bad USB attacks, which involve using USB devices to execute unauthorized commands on a computer, right? So the limitations and misconceptions, it's not a universal hacking tool. While the Flipper Zero is powerful, it is not a universal hacking tool. Many of the viral videos showing it hacking into systems like gas stations' displays were likely staged and required significant preparation. It cannot hack phones or Wi-Fi, as we know of, directly. It cannot do that directly. The Flipper Zero is not capable of hacking into smartphones or Wi-Fi networks directly. Concerns about phone or Wi-Fi hacking should focus more on potential spyware or compromised devices rather than the Flipper Zero. Some of the security concerns is the potential threat. In the wrong hands, the Flipper Zero can pose a security threat due to its ability to help hackers spy on whoever they want. They can. That's just the bottom line of it. So some of the protection measures: using a Faraday bag can prevent devices from unauthorized access by blocking electromagnetic signals, thus preventing the Flipper Zero from interacting with them. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button if you like what you hear so far. Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. The next one we have is the rubber ducky, right? Hackers use the USB rubber ducky device to exploit the trust model of computers by masquerading as a USB keyboard. This allows them to execute keystroke commands and deliver malicious payloads without the need for user interactions. You have the keystroke injection. The USB rubber ducky is recognized by computers as a human interface device, also known as HID, like a keyboard. This allows it to input keystrokes at a high speed, executing commands as if a person were typing them. This can include logging keystrokes to capture passwords or other sensitive information. There's a payload execution, right? The device can deliver a variety of payloads depending on the script used. This could involve using malware, creating backdoors, or stealing credentials. As an example, it can create fake login prompts to harvest credentials or send stored passwords from browsers to an attacker's server. The Ducky script, right? This scripting language used by the USB rubber ducky, known as Ducky script, allows for complex payloads that can adapt to different operating systems and conditions. The latest version, Ducky script 3.0, includes features such as logic flow control and the ability to encode data in binary format, making it even more versatile and dangerous. You have the stealth and speed. Remember, spyware, spying. Attacks can be executed in seconds, and the device can be programmed to clean up traces of its activity, making its detection difficult. For instance, it can close windows, open and erase terminal history, leaving the computer in its original state. You have physical access requirement. Despite its capabilities, the USB rubber ducky requires physical access to the target machine, which limits its use to situations where an attacker can physically insert the device. The next one we have is the OMG cable, right? Hackers use the OMG cable to spy. So they do this by exploiting its ability to look like a normal USB cable while containing sophisticated hacking technology. These cables have embedded implant that includes a web server, USB communications, and Wi-Fi access, allowing them to intercept and transmit data from the connected device to an attacker remotely. The key features and functions of this is the covert design. The OMG cable is designed to look like a standard USB cable, making it difficult to detect. It can be used for various devices including Windows, macOS, iPhone, and Android, using different connectors like Lightning, USB-A, and USB-C. Remote access and control. The cable can create a Wi-Fi access point, enabling attackers to communicate with it from a distance. This allows them to send commands and receive data without being physically near the target device. That's very key. And with that key, there's the keystroke, logging and data exfiltration, right? The cable can, log keystrokes and extract sensitive information such as usernames and passwords. It can also execute payloads to perform actions like taking screenshots, retrieving Wi-Fi passwords, and much more. The payload execution, hackers can program the cable using a web interface and scripts written in a language like Ducky script, right? This allows for executing complex attacks, such as injecting spyware or other malicious software into the connected device. Now, people use this for pen testing, right? Originally designed for cybersecurity professionals to test network security, the OMG cable is used, by white hat hackers, to identify vulnerabilities. There's also the potential for misuse, right? In the wrong hands, these cables can be used for unauthorized access to devices, posing a significant risk. So some of the mitigation strategies to protect against these threats, it's essential to be cautious with unfamiliar cables and consider using security solutions like Unified Endpoint Management, UEM, to restrict unauthorized USB connections and manage device security. That's what I have for you today. Please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and like button if you like this video. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe. See you in the next video.